Let's unbox the Bob and Brad C2 massage gun. I'm really excited for this because I've been using massage guns for years. It's a big part of my recovery. So let's get into it. Hi, my name is Rad Burmeister from Unity Gym with tips and tools to get you doing more of what you love pain-free. And today I'm here to unbox the Bob and Brad C2 massage gun. So this is a really cost-effective version of a Theragun. I've got a Theragun Pro, I love it, but man, they're pricey, aren't they? So I'm really keen to see what this is like. So let's have a look. First impression, I should say, it's pretty heavy, it's pretty robust. I was expecting something as small as this to not be as robust, as heavy. It definitely feels like it's got some weight to it. You know, it doesn't feel cheap or flimsy at first glance. I'll just close this box up over here so it can stay in my shot. Let's have a look. So very nicely wrapped. It's got one of these cases, nice soft, nice protective case, I should say. So if you look at that, the size of it, it's very small. Definitely first impression is this is a pocket size massage gun. This is something that you could absolutely like take on carry-on luggage. It's really cool. It reminds me of one of the sizes of those old mobile phones. Remember when people used to hold those mobile phones like a suitcase? Let's have a look. Let's get inside and see what it's like. So we've got some instructions. Got a USB cable here for charging, I guess. Pretty standard. We've got here some kind of a little ring. All right, who needs instructions, right? I'm just gonna go straight to the device. All right, cool, so it's got a USB-C charging port at the bottom. Man, it's got some weight to it. It feels heavier than what you'd think something this big would weigh. It's quite small, huh? It's really nice. Nice little handheld. All right, let's see what it's like. I'm gonna go, so we got lots of different things. We've got, what would you call that one? A hammerhead, maybe. And there's your get right in there adjuster. And then we've got, that one feels, it's like flatter but softer, but that one's rounder and probably a bit firmer, this one. And then you've got the double whammy. I don't even want to know where that one goes. Crikey. I'll leave that up to your imagination. All right, let's give this a try. Okay, on she goes. What did I do just then? There we go, okay. So I might need to read the instructions because obviously you have to hold it down or do something. And it's got some 5 speed settings. At first test, I'd say it's not very noisy. It's quite good. Ooh, that's good. Oh, I wasn't expecting it to be that good. Look at that, you can see my whole arm rippling around there. Oh, that's hilarious. I can see it on my monitor there. Look at that. Woo! Look at that. Oh, that's hilarious. It's really good. Wow, I'm impressed. Because it's so small. I'm sure you're gonna be able to hear that on my microphone. That is impressive. That's really, really good. Honestly, I didn't expect a massage gun this small to be that good, and it's really robust. It feels really well built. And look how small that is. I know I've said that about 1,000,000 times now, but it's just so small. Okay, so I think I got it now. You got to hold it down. Oh, that's on setting number 2. Look at that. Can you see that? Woo! That is really good. That is, I have to say, I am extremely impressed with that. This is now that is powerful. Woo! You know what? I'm really impressed. I've used a Theragun Pro, and I love my Theragun Pro, but it's so big. It's like it's hectic. And I've used a much cheaper knockoff version. I can't remember what it was called. This is really good. This is impressive. All right, so first, this is an unboxing, of course. First glance, very cool. Small, robust, feels good. Lots of different attachments. What I'm gonna have to do now is really give it a run, and I'll do a review on it. So if you wanna see my full review on the Bob and Brad C2 massage gun, click or tap the screen. And if you got value out of this, if you liked my unboxing video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in that next video for my review.